Here's a 360-degree view of the Dragon Ball Z Legendary Super Saiyan Brawler, number 623, at 6 inches tall by Funko Pop Animation. A Galactic Toys exclusive. This is a 30th Anime Anniversary Edition. Note, this is the standard version and it doesn't have glowing eyes. This was put together by my son Glenn, which is part of his collection. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.